Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SHIB2.0 token. Now this token is kind of a play off of Pepe 2.0. Pepe 2.0 was a top gainer earlier today, and now we have a SHIB 2.0 is in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. They're doing very well. They were up like 600% last time I checked. Right now they're still up 190.74%, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, pretty straightforward, this token. There is not a ton of information on this token. It is very much a meme coin, just like Pepe 2.0 is. Sometimes when one token's doing very well, like Pepe 2.0 comes out, it's a meme coin, not a lot of info, does very well, or any coin that comes out and does very well. There'll be a knockoff almost immediately, and the page will be kind of rushed, not much to it. Obviously, somebody's just trying to make another meme coin with a similar name to get it out there in the trend and have people investing right away while the trend is still hot. And that's kind of what this token is right here. Not to say that this token will continue or not continue to do very well. I'm just saying that's pretty much what happened. Pepe 2.0 is doing very well. Then all of a sudden, all these knockoffs came out and started following the trend. There was Mongoose 2.0. There was Pepe 3.0. There was Doge 2.0. I might actually put out other videos after this one as well, depending on how well some of those tokens did. Or I might not do videos on any of them. They might have all bombed. But this one's doing very well. SHIB 2.0. They have 1,731 holders so far, 22,825 transfers, 8 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens according to their Etherscan. Now this is an Ethereum token. So if you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the SHIB 2.0 token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinMarketCap. You can also find it on their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their official webpage, which is SHIB2.0.vip. And I did a video on Pepe 2.0 earlier today, so check out that video. And I believe that webpage was also like Pepe 2.0.vip as well. A very similar webpage name, and that's how you can tell it's also a play off of that token. Token price, it's gaining right now. It's up 222%. It's between 1/10 and 1/5 of a token, or 1/10 and 1/5 of a penny right now, the token price. And yeah, it is gaining right now as we speak. We'll see how it goes, but it's definitely in the top gainer section right now. Fully diluted market cap for this project is about $1.6 million. Market cap $1.4 million. 24-hour trading volume, though, $5.7 million right now. So, chart is kind of bananas today. If we look at the 1-day chart, you can tell it's very brand new. If you go 1-day chart, and then it looks exact same as the 7-day chart, which is the same as the month, the year, etc. So like this token just came out literally today, already almost 2,000 holders though, exploding. So it says, every token deserves a new beginning. And this token was launched on the 29th, which was today. It says, did you miss SHIB? Don't miss SHIB2.0. Their Twitter is at SHIB2 and their Telegram is also SHIB2 And they did a liquidity burn, and they have the Ether scan, so you can verify that on the chain if you want to. And they also have ownership renounced Ether scan as well, so you can verify both of those Ether scans there to make sure that that happened. And besides that, if you go over to their webpage, they do have a DEX tools chart that you can check out. Now, the cool thing about DEX tools is they have the DEX score on here. They have a 58 out of 99, so not the best DEX tools chart or DEX tools score. Now, they do have a Go Plus security feature on DEX tools that you can check out. Now, if you click on that, it'll tell you the warnings. So some of the warnings on here is this token can have an unlimited number of transactions. So they're saying that that is bad. Trading cooldown, that is bad as well. So a couple red flags there. And then they just say that the buy tax is 2% and sell tax 2.05%. So there is taxes, but yeah, not the worst. Not the worst warnings. Those aren't terrible warnings on there. It says total liquidity is $122,900. 24-hour trading volume, $5.8 million. Pooled ETH is 33.1 or 33.52 pooled ETH on here. And yeah, and then it has holders, all the same information that we went over already. Now, on their webpage, it says, did you miss SHIB? Here's your second chance. Don't mess it up. SHIB2.0 is the second version of Shiba. As we know, history repeats itself, and we are planning to follow in the same footsteps as Shiba Inu. With 2.0, we want to share the message that explains that every token deserves a second chance. And then it says 2 and 2 taxes, burned liquidity. Doesn't even tell you what the taxes are for, so it's just safe to assume that it goes to marketing and development. So you are going to have to set your slippage around 2% if you're going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap. Besides that, I mean, there's zero information on their webpage. It says it's a coin with no intrinsic value, big warning. They have a link to their Telegram, Twitter, contact emails on here, info@SHIB20.vip. Now, their Twitter, 33 tweets so far, 876 followers, just joined in June. I mean, everything just came out today, basically, right? For this entire token, it looks like they are going to have maybe some Ask Me Anythings on here. But yeah, this token basically just came out today, just following Pepe 2.0's hot trend today and trying to play off of that. And it's working so far, so we'll see how it goes. But just be aware, there's no audit, no KYC, hardly any security to this token at all. So just thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token, because you never know what will happen. But SHIB2.0, you can find it in the top gainer section right now in CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.